What's up guys, we're all here for Good Tech, and as Huawei's app gallery is the new home of most of the most used apps we use today, the Huawei keeps on developing the platform to suit what a customer needs with features that are quintessential to our productivity and needs. Recently, we checked out Huawei's latest mid-range offering, the Huawei Nova 9 SE, and making it a better productivity tool, aside from its specs, is the software and the app gallery. App Gallery is an all-in-one platform that caters to apps that you need, from your basic social medias like Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat, Telegram, Reddit, Discord, Zoom, and WhatsApp. Mind you, these are just some of the social media networking apps you can download. Now, if you're a gamer, apps like Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, PUBG, Fortnite, League of Legends, Farmville, Asphalt 9 Legends, Clash Royale, Rise of the Kingdoms are some of the games that are also available in the app gallery. Now, if you want to maximize and add some creativity flavor on your photos taken by the Huawei Nova 9 SE, there are also apps available in the app gallery to take those shots to the next level, like Lightroom, Snapseed, PixArt, Beauty Plus, Viva Video, Camera 360, Filmora Go, Photor, Canva, InShot, and such. These are not only the apps available in the app gallery because there are thousands more, so fret not because you're probably seeing your favorite apps in here. No Google? No problem. Thanks to GSpace, your all-in-one Google service app for your beloved Huawei device. GSpace is an all-in-one app for everything Google. From the app, you have access to apps like Gmail, YouTube, YouTube Music, YouTube Kids, Meet, Drive, Photos, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Keep, Classroom, and Google Duo. Aside from those mentioned apps, there are also a bunch of other apps baked in like Zoom, Lala Move, Microsoft OneDrive, Shazam, Microsoft Teams, and AR services. GSpace is also available to your device right out of the box. It can mostly be found in the utilities section. But just in case you don't find it, hop over to the Huawei app gallery and search GSpace. Tap install and you're done. Pretty easy. All of these apps can be updated through Google Play Store. And yes, you have access to Play Store as well. One of the limitations of GSpace is that there are ads from time to time when opening apps like YouTube. Also, app updates cannot be downloaded automatically though, but you will be notified when there is and you have to update it manually. I expect some apps to be a little slow at first, but once everything is loaded up, you can enjoy all Google services on your Huawei devices with ease. Before we wrap things up, here are the top 50 apps you can download in the Huawei app gallery. Number 1, Google Chrome, where you can browse the web with ease, download files, and do everything you're used to doing on your desktop in the palm of your hand. Second on this list is Gcash for faster and cashless transactions with over 50,000 merchants nationwide, or pay your bills through the app with hassle-free experience. Now, if you want to hang out with your friends when gaming, the number 1 app to go to is Discord. You can stream your gameplay with your friends, talk, and even video chat with them. Or if you want to be updated on the latest news, you can create a bot that will send you in push notification on topics you might be interested in. Want extra cloud storage for your photos? Check out Google Photos. Right off the bat, you have 15 gigs of free storage for your photos. If you want to make the most of the free storage you have, you can opt to back up your photos in standard quality. Or if you really want to have the full resolution, you have that option too. Number 5 on this list is Google Meet. Google Meet is one of the most used apps for online classes, and yes, it is on Huawei's app gallery and GSpace. It is also a great alternative for Zoom. Now, speaking of Zoom, Zoom Cloud Meetings are one of the most quintessential apps for people who works at home. Also a tool for catching up with your friends virtually, and even used by some universities for online classes. Number 7, if you want to add creativity on your photos, PixArt Photo Editor is here to help you. From brushes to filters, this app will definitely help you step up your photography game. Number 8. One of the number 1 Boodle app is also available on Huawei App Gallery, which is Lazada. From here, you can buy hundreds and thousands of products in their roster, which can be shipped in your doorstep in no time. Number 9 on this list is one of the most trusted mobile banking app, BPI Mobile. It is also available on App Gallery. BPI mobile banking app lets you send money and pay bills from the comfort of your home, skipping the hassle of long lines and waiting time in banks. And our top 10 on this list is WPS Office, free office suite for your Word, PDF, Excel. This app is a great productivity tool, especially for students who are mostly using modules and ebooks. Other top app includes Speed Test by Ookla, YouTube Music, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Messenger, Grab Super App, Waze, Video Mobile Banking, Google, Netflix, Foodpanda, Globe One, Facebook, TikTok, Gboard, Reddit, Gmail, ShareIt, Telegram, Spotify, GigaLife, Maya, Google Duo, Shopee, Viber, VLC for Android, Facebook Lite, MX Player, Google Drive, Twitter, Yahoo Mail, Adobe Acrobat Reader, Google Sheets, Google Maps, Google Play Games, WhatsApp Messenger, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft Outlook. And there you go. What do you guys think about the amazing apps you can download in the Huawei AppGallery and the amazing app that lets you access Google services on a Huawei device, GSpace? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.